Hey dolls, so today's video I'm going to be telling you a little story time on how I manifested my gorgeous luxury chaise behind me that I'm sitting on for literally $25 at Goodwill. I'm going to tell you the story time because it's literally worth doing a whole story time video for. So grab your coffee, grab your tea dolls, and let's do this video. Let's go dolls.
Plans would come true. My whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so far. Oh, life ain't a ding-dong. If I could take you up in pain, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Ain't a ding-dong. Plans would come true. Ain't a ding-dong. My whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. Ain't a ding-dong. Plans would come true. Ain't a ding-dong. My whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Anyway, most of you know I just moved apartments and I have my own place now, and I've just been busy decorating, packing, and I'm going to make this video as short as possible because everyone's asking me so many questions, like it's coming in at like high rates. So I decided to do a video just like talking about this because I think it's video worthy. But yes, so I've been looking for pieces. When I tell you I've been looking for a mirror that's like over 6 foot tall, like a really huge and wide mirror to do my lookbooks in, and that's why I decided to go thrifting. But at the same time, in the back of my mind, I am also looking for a chaise. So a chaise is this gorgeous chair. I'm also looking for a chaise to do my lookbooks on and sit down for my backdrop, like right here. So I have been looking online. I didn't even think anything like Goodwill at the time. So I started looking on Amazon. I have a lot in my cart. Some of them are ranging up to $500, $700, even $1,000. Chaises are expensive. I feel like they feel chaises are not regular chairs. So if you have a chaise, you're literally wearing that gorgeous long robe. In fact, I need to do a photo shoot on this chaise in that robe. But you know the robe I have that is long and fluffy? You're wearing one of those, and it's that kind of look that, you know, the police knock on your door and, you know, and they tell you that your 80-something-year-old billionaire husband just passed away from mysterious circumstances. You're that type of rich when you have a chaise. That's how I feel a chaise is. It's not your regular cheap chair. Not even cheap chair, it's not your regular chair. Like you have, like it's expensive, it's luxury. So I feel like that's why chaises are expensive, because they don't, it's just not a chair that everyone gets, right? So I needed a chaise because, I mean, come on now, I love luxury. So yeah, I needed a chaise to match my robe. So I looked online, I looked everywhere, I looked at vintage ones online. I looked, and I want specifically a pink chaise. So of course, I feel like they purposely make, my earring just came out. I feel like they purposely make chaises expensive. No, I feel like they purposely make things that are pink expensive because a lot of women like pink. Sorry, I just have to put my earrings back in. A lot of women like pink, so I feel like they purposely do that on purpose to, because they know we like pink. Pink is a gorgeous color. So everything in pink seems to be out of stock. Or have you noticed that? If you like pink, you know what I'm talking about. So I have not been able to find one in the price range I want, because heaven forbid, I want all my money on my mirror and chandelier. I don't want to spend $500 on a chaise. I'm just going to be honest right now. Let's cut to the chase, no pun intended. So I wasn't really, I mean, I had them in my cart and I knew eventually I'm going to have to buy one. So they're just in my cart waiting until I decided to go to Goodwill yesterday, which I just decided, and it was a Sunday. And here's the thing, everyone's asking me the secret to this stuff. It was a Sunday. I went on a Sunday. I hear that's not even a good day to get things. So that's not a good day to go thrift shopping because they don't really get new stock on Sundays, because Sundays is like a rest day. So again, it wasn't like a typical, and I went in the afternoon, which is apparently a bad time to find stuff. Because to me, there's no good luck there's no kind of science to thrifting. Forget all you hear. There's no science. You literally have to flow by good luck if you manage, and we're going to get to that. So anyway, So I went inside Goodwill. I already went to 2 Goodwills before I got to this particular location. Again, there's not science to this thing. It's all based on good luck. And just like manifesting it and imagining that you will find something good, because I was literally fed up. I had not seen a mirror that I've been looking for. I had not even seen any furniture, because I was still looking for pink furniture regardless, and cute furniture. So the third one I went to, so I went to 2 before that, didn't see anything I like, and I went to a third one, and the third one was literally random. I don't like this location that I went to. They are known to have like not great stuff. And the funny thing is, like 2 weeks ago when I started the moving process, I gave my stuff to them. And 2 weeks ago, I thought to myself, as I'm giving my stuff, because I move in, I have a ton of heels. When I say I have a lot of heels, I have a lot of heels. My mum is just like, I keep finding your heels everywhere. You have so much shoes. I have so much heels and clothes and accessories. And I kept giving boxes, and when I mean boxes, I have a lot. So I kept giving boxes away, and even some furniture pieces to Goodwill, because I didn't want to trash them, because I spent my money to buy this stuff. Let someone else get it. So I gave a lot to that location, and I even saw my stuff there. That's how much of my stuff was there. So I was saying to myself 2 weeks ago when I started my moving process, that if I give my stuff away, like, God, can you give me something in return? I know it sounds weird, but I literally was like, God, manifest, give me something, bring something to me that is amazing, because I feel like my stuff I was given was all brand new, tags still on them, some still in original shoebox packaging, never been worn before type stuff. I gave thousands to Goodwill, and they're probably going to upcharge more than the price I spent on the actual items. I know that. So I was like, God, give me something amazing for replacing the stuff I have to give away. Like, it's the method of give, and it shall be given unto you. I really feel that that's what happened with me and this manifestation of this, exactly what I wanted. So when I got to this location, as I was saying, I didn't want to go inside because I don't like this location. They just never have good stuff. But I parked my car right in front of it, and something said, just go inside, you don't know what you're going to see. And I believe that's God just telling me, walk in, like, just go inside, you don't know what you're going to see. And I kid you not, the minute I walked in, my eyes went straight for this pink. Like, I'm like a magnet to pink. And I was like, no way, a pink couch. At the time, I just saw the back of this, so I was thinking, a pink couch? Even though I already have a couch, I need to see. So it's only when I got close, I was like, oh my God, a chaise. And it's velvet, and it's tufted. I have to buy it. Before I could even look at the price, I was like, I'm going to buy it. I thought it would be $200 at the very minimum. And I was like, I saw 2 something, and I was like, 200, okay, let's do it. But then I looked carefully and I zoomed in, and I was like, 200, it was $25. I was thinking it was $250, because I just saw 25, and it was $24 actually. And I was like, and if you don't believe me, I have the tags. I have the tags around here somewhere. I can prove it to you. In fact, it's still on here. $25. The button isn't even $25. Like, you can't even buy a button on here for $25. Ridiculous. And it's so new. There's only like a few little stains, but they're removable stains. So it wasn't going to put me off. Like, you can literally remove all of this. Like, there's nothing really on there. In fact, I made more stains trying to get it into my car than there were any stains on here to begin with. 25. Immediately, I held the chair and I was like, get someone from the front, because I was not going to let go of it. Because the minute you let go of something like that, someone's going to pick it up as well and claim that it's theirs. So I was like, I got this lady in the store, can you get them at the front to bring a trolley to get it out? And they brought a trolley and they rolled it out to my car. Now the story gets even more wild. So I paid for it and everything, and I didn't realize my car is small. I underestimated the size actually of this chaise. My car is small, but I didn't think this chaise was so big. Like, this head part of it could not get in my car. The guy in Goodwill, and thank you so much if you're watching my video, thank you so much, random guy in Goodwill. He twisted this chaise so many ways. He knocked my seats down. He opened the boot of my car. He did everything. We even took off the little the legs of the chair. Nothing would work to get the chair into my car. My car refused. The chair refused. And it attracted so many people, like men and women were just coming up. How can I help? You know what, I can help you. Let me get my pickup truck. So many people were giving offers to get this, because they're like, you can't leave this here. Like, you have to get this home. And this is why I say God's just in everything you do, even in the things that you think are minor. A lady that, you know, many women gathered around, and they're like, this is so pretty. We can't see you not take this home. And I was just like in awe, because I was literally in tears, like, oh my God, I've paid for this and I can't take this home. What am I going to do? Because you're not thinking in that situation. You're just like, how do I, you know, maneuver this? So this lady that I met, she saw me from far and saw me struggling with the chair. She was busy that day, but she offered up last minute. She's like, I can take you. I can take the chair for you. I have a pickup truck. Come on, get this in my truck. Thank you so much, Dee. Her name's Dee. And we exchanged numbers and everything. She helped get it to my apartment. Literally, she didn't want anything for it. I still gave her a little thing, like just a little token, just as of appreciation. Nothing crazy. But like, she didn't want anything for it. It's just the kindness of her heart. And it really touched me, and I don't want to get emotional, but it makes me kind of emotional that there are some good people still in this world that you can trust, who would be so selfless to help you in your time of need, and they don't even know you. People don't even have friends or family members that do that. Like, I bet you I'd have called up a friend and they're like, oh, I'm busy, oh, I'm doing this. Like, I'm not saying my friends are bad, they're not bad, but like, you understand what I'm trying to say. Like, people don't have that with family and friends. And for a total stranger to me to take her time out, she doesn't know who I am, she doesn't know what I could do, and to trust, like, what does she gain from it? And it taught me a valuable lesson, and that is to just be given to people and to help people more, as much as, like, I love helping people in general, so I guess I get it back through that way, but to help people even more. Because, like, I'm just amazed. I'm amazed. I'm just so amazed. But yes, that's how I got my chair. It was a struggle to get in my car, but it's here. She's here. She's a beauty, and I will show you dolls her, because her name's Lucy. She helped me get my chair here. She's a stranger, but we are now friends. We just met. So this is what happens when you meet good people. Yay! My gorgeous chaise. I love it. It's so beautiful. It's so pretty, and with the natural light just hitting it makes it even more prettier. As I was saying, look, I spray painted the legs gold. They were a silver, like a metallic silver, and now they're gold. I love it. And as I was saying, it is, for proof, $24.99. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So that's that. It's so gorgeous, and it just fits my whole look. As you can see, it goes with the what's it called? What's this thing called? It goes with that. It's just so stunning with my rack. I love it. And this is where a lot of lookbooks will be filmed from here. I'm thinking of having a chandelier hanging right in the middle, so it just completes the look. But that's how I manifested this. This is my filming section where, you know, I'm going to be filming and turning here into a walk-in closet, part 2. So yeah, that's that. I love it. It's so pretty, and it's massive. And as you can see, no stains at all. I mean, there's like a little stain on here from when it dropped, because it kept falling. We tried, like a little scuff from my car, and we tried. And it's just gorgeous. It's huge, and it feels so comfortable. You can literally lie on here like a bed. So that's my gorgeous chaise that we manifested, that I manifested, and God just literally had it there waiting for me. There's no way, there's no like science behind how to find, because people keep asking me questions like, what location did you go to? As I said, that location is crappy. They never have cute stuff. It's literally a rarity, and I gave them really good stuff. So someone will go there and find my clothes in there and my shoes and heels and think that, you know, good things are always there. No, like, these things are at random. I only gave my stuff away because I was moving. So like, I'm sure whoever gave this up was probably moving. By the way, I spray painted the legs gold. They were silver, and now they're gold legs because it just like fits with my whole background and my style. So it's like, it's just so gorgeous, and it just makes me, like, as I said, there's no like tips on how to go. My biggest tip is just pray before you go out and wish that you would manifest the same thing. And I've never been lucky, because the comment people keep commenting is, oh, I've never been lucky to find anything at Goodwill. I was that person. I always envy people who get Chanel and Louis Vuitton bags and stuff at Goodwill and really nice furniture, and finally it's happened for me. So it can happen for you too, I promise you. Like, just keep your eyes open. When you go in there, look at things very carefully. Don't pass anything up. There's no time of day you go, there's no location you go. It's literally boils down to luck. That's the secret. So there you go, I've given you the tea. Go out there. I'm sending you wishes from my chair to you. I wish you luck on your thrifting adventures, and I'm definitely going to start vlogging my adventures, because there's more stuff I want to get. So it just makes me have a passion to go thrifting. So I'd definitely love to take you dolls. If you dolls want to follow me on 𝓟𝓲𝓷𝓴, we can do it on this channel. Like, I feel like I've done that back, yeah, I've done videos on that back in the day. I always find, if you're looking, you will always find a gem. Trust me, you just have to look. And I literally just, my eyes went straight for it. And I'll say, as I was saying, there's no science to it, because that chair was there in the bright afternoon. Anyone could have seen that pink. It pops. It's gorgeous. And it's like, how did no one see the price? How did no one see the price? So yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, dolls, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Let me know if you enjoyed this video and my pink chaise. Thank you so much for watching, dolls, and I'll see you in my next video. Smooches, bye.
Life could be a dream, and I think plans would come true. And I think my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we get all right. And I think lang, 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 lang. And I think lang, 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 lang. Oh, life, and I think if I could take you up in tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. And I think plans would come true. And I think my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so